Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up with email on Airbnb. Signing up on Airbnb is quick and easy, whether you want to book stays, become a host, or explore experiences. First of all, launch open the Airbnb application on your device. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the login button. Once you're inside the login interface, tap on login or sign up from the top. Now on the next page, when it comes to login or sign up to Airbnb option, go ahead and tap on continue with email. Now, enter an email address you'd like to sign up with in the text box at the top and tap continue. On the next page, to finish signing up, go ahead and enter your first name on your ID at the top. Make sure to type in your legal name. After you do that, enter your surname on your ID on the next field and then enter your date of birth on the next field. Select your date of birth information correctly and tap OK. Now, in the password field, create a password for your Airbnb account. This password will be required while signing in next time. After entering a strong password, tap on agree and continue. Now, verify your email by entering the verification code sent to you via email on your registered email address. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code inside it. Type it down in the text box. Right after you do that, you will be able to verify your email. On the next page, tap on agree and continue and follow through the instructions. You have now successfully created a new account for Airbnb. The next thing you can do is to complete your profile. Add a profile photo on your account and enter additional information for security, and once it is done, you can easily search for stays, book experiences, or list your property. So that's how you easily make your Airbnb account registered and ready. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.